Welcome to Project Car Media. Today I'm over at the Project Car Media office and I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of a Valvetronic Designs exhaust for an F30 BMW, and then I'm going to do a little review on it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, well, you guys definitely saw that the packaging for this exhaust system was very, very nice. Everything was wrapped in foam and packaged very nicely. But now that we have it out on the table, man, does it look absolutely beautiful. This Valvetronic Designs exhaust comes with the axle back exhaust right here, and then it comes with two tips, and you get to choose whether you want chrome or burnt like these, or carbon fiber even. And then you end up with a valve controller extended harness and a clamp to go over your existing exhaust. And man, this exhaust system is so nice. All of the welds are very, very nice. The quality of everything here is absolutely amazing. Now, Valvetronic Designs is a company based out of Pennsylvania, and they build all of their exhaust systems in-house here in the United States, and the craftsmanship is just out of this world. It's very, very good. So all their piping is T304 stainless steel, and they do precision TIG welding on all of their welds. As you can see, the bracket for the hanger is really cool looking, and this is basically a direct replacement of your axle back exhaust for the F30 BMW. And this one specifically is for a 2018 BMW 340i xDrive. That's what it's going on to. And as you can tell, it actually comes with a valve controller bracket. So when you go to install this exhaust, this is how it will sit on the car. But the original valve controller is over on this side of the car, and you're going to need to relocate that over to this side in this bracket, and that's why they give you the extended harness so that you can run the wire all the way over to this side. And then you'll need to obviously relocate your rubber hangers, and you should be good to go. It's a very easy install, and then you can throw these beautiful tips on the end just to get that finishing touch. And I've actually watched a couple videos of this exhaust and it sounds so good. It's not too loud, and when the valve is open it sounds very beefy on the 4-cylinder and the 6-cylinder cars. And I'll show you right here what the valve actually looks like. If you lift this up, you can see in there that is the valve, and it opens and closes based on what the car is doing. So if you're in like comfort, it'll be closed, and if you're in Sport Plus, it will open up and give a more throaty exhaust. You'll basically get a dual exhaust. This customer ordered this exhaust directly from Peak Innovation Motorsports. He gave them a call and ordered this and a catless downpipe, which you can do as well. I will leave their information in the description below. They can order this for you and drop ship it to you. I will also leave a link to Valvetronic Design's website so that you can check that out and look at all of the different makes and models that they offer this exhaust for. Now, they also even offer a universal muffler, so that can go pretty much on any car. So even on my old BMW, I could buy a universal muffler and I could throw it on, and it comes with a valve controller. And all I would need to do is wire it in, and I could have myself a electronically controlled valve exhaust, just like this one right here. So very, very cool company. They seem to be a smaller company, but they do absolutely amazing work. And just from unboxing this for the first time and seeing this for the first time, I am very, very impressed with the craftsmanship of everything involved in this exhaust. So yeah, head over to Valvetronic's website, give Peak Innovation Motorsports a call and order one of these up for your BMW. They also make exhaust for Audis and other makes and models. So definitely check out some YouTube videos on how these exhausts sound. Well, I hope you liked that quick little unboxing and review video of the Valvetronic Designs Axleback exhaust for the F30 BMW. It's such a nice exhaust. I can't wait to see it on the car, along with the catless downpipe that the customer ordered as well. Again, if you want one of these Axleback exhausts, whether it's the universal one or the one for your car, definitely give Peak Innovation Motorsports a call. Like I said, they can order it for you and drop ship it to you, no problem. You can also go to Valvetronic's website and check them out there. In the meantime, I really hope that you liked this format of video. If you did, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like this style of unboxing video / review video, because there are some other products that are here at Peak Innovation Motorsports that I could do a review on. So go ahead and leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate everybody watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.